Welcome to Quilt-Pro. In this introduction, we'll show you how easy it is to create your next quilt, estimate your fabric, and print a strip piecing chart. Of course, these are just the basics. There's much more to explore on our website at Quilt-Pro.com. Ready? Let's get started. When you first open Quilt-Pro, it will ask you what you would like to do. We'll make a quilt. To start our quilt, just click on the Continue button. Now we've opened the Quilt Wizard. This is where you will build your quilt. You can set the layout, the size, and the number of your blocks. You can also add a border or sash. Of course, you can change your quilt anytime you want. As you click on the Quilt Wizard tabs, Quilt-Pro shows you a preview of your quilt. You can click on the Help button at any time if you need help. Now we're ready to place the quilt on the design wall. Just click the Finish button. Let's take a quick look around the design wall. The design wall is where you work with blocks and quilts. The toolbar contains all the tools you need to make a quilt, such as the paintbrush tool and the flip and rotate tools. You can also pick solid colors from the color bar at the bottom of the design wall. Now, let's add a block to our quilt. Click on the Block tool to open the block library. The block library contains more than 2,500 quilt blocks. You can access any block from the library at any time. We'll select the Piece Baskets folder. Let's choose the Raspberry Compote block. Click on the quilt to place the block. Now, let's paint the quilt with fabrics. Click on the Fabric tool to open the fabric library. The fabric library has over 5,000 fabrics from all your favorite companies. Move the color bar to find more fabric swatches. To start painting, just click on a fabric swatch and then click on the patches you want to paint. To turn the blocks, just click on the Rotate tool. To rotate each block one at a time, click off Affect All in the ribbon bar. To really have fun, click Affect All on again and see what happens. Quilt-Pro makes it easy to estimate the fabric you'll need. Just click on Calculate Yardage in the Quilt menu. You can estimate yardage for just the blocks or include the borders and the quilt backing. You can also set the seam allowance and the width of your fabric. You can even add a fudge factor so that you can buy extra fabric for your stash. To see your results, click on the Show Yardage Results button. Quilt-Pro shows you the name of each fabric and how much you'll need to buy. Click on the Print button for a printout to take to the quilt shop. To finish our introduction, we'll show you how to print a strip piecing chart. This is the Print Center, where you can print strip piecing charts, foundation blocks, or templates. Let's click on the Strip Piecing button. Set the size of the block and the number of copies you want, or just leave the settings as is from the quilt. To see your chart, click on the Print Preview button. The strip piecing chart shows you how many fabric strips to cut, how wide to cut each strip, and how many squares and triangles to cut. Now you're ready to start sewing. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to Quilt-Pro, but we've only just begun. From creating blocks, quilts, to printing foundations, strip piecing charts, to templates, Quilt-Pro makes quilting fun, accurate, and easy. Download it today and get started.